So here's how we can attach a file to an email on iPhone. So let me talk about it. If it's your first time being here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. Okay, so whenever you are writing an email, it might be through the built-in mail app or through a third-party one, but the process is generally very comparable and very simple. So you open up the mail app and start a new message. And in the built-in Apple Mail app, it works a little different because the button to attach a document is not immediately visible. Like if I open up the message, I don't see it right away. And I have to actually click on the body of the text for the buttons to appear. So if I go and click there, you can see that the formatting options, the pencil tool, as well as paperclip icon are going to appear, and they all allow me to attach and change the content of the message. So I can tap on a paperclip and decide if I want to import a photo from the library or take a photo right now, or perhaps scan a document which I have physically in front of me. But the most important option out of these is the attach file. So you can tap there, and this pretty much just opens up the Apple Files app, and you can browse through all of the folders and locations, right? So if you have it on the iCloud, you can get there. If you have it on the local storage, you can find it in here. Just go through your folders and attach any kind of file you want to send over the email. Naturally, if it's going to be something too large, then it may not work, but usual documents are most definitely going to be able to be attached to regular emails. So I hope it helps. It's pretty much just that. When it comes to some other apps, very similar approach. Just look for the paperclip icon or something along the lines, and you should be able to find the attach button. And so let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to catch you later in the next videos as well.